The first step is to contact them. That's the very, very first step. So if you found a private label product that you want to become the distributor of in Australia, then you should go contact them. Easiest way to contact them is through Amazon. But if you can't find out who it is through Amazon, then you should find them on Google. So just Google for whoever they are. Let me just show you, see if I can find someone. So is this a good thing to do? Probably not a very good category for me to show you in. Let's see if we can find a better category. Well, let's use our good old vegetable spiralizer. Let's use this one by Lifestyle Dynamics. That'll do. So let's suppose I want to be the importer for this product in Australia. So this company's selling on Amazon.com. I don't know if they sell in Australia currently. Let's suppose, for argument's sake, that they don't, and I want to import their product into Australia. So I come to their listing. I come to where it says sold by, just down here, Lifestyle Dynamics. I click on that, and I can ask a question directly here for them. So that's one way of doing it. The other way that I would do it is to go find them directly as well, and the way you do that is just check out their policies, see if you can find any additional information about their policies. Well, I can't, so then I come up and I take their storefront name and I just search in Google for it, Lifestyle Dynamics. So here they are, here's their website, Lifestyle Dynamics. So go to their website. Most of these big sellers like that who you've been looking at have got a website, and I can contact them this way. Or if you want a very, very cheeky, super cool way of contacting them, the other way would be to do a reverse whois lookup, and let's see if we can get their actual private information. So just go to whois.domaintools.com. You can say I use this all the time. And then just put in their URL like that, lifestyledynamics.com. Hit search. Prove I'm not a robot, which I actually am. And then we might be able to get their direct contact details, unless they've hidden that whois record. So whois record is just here. That's what we're looking for. They've hidden it, which is unfortunate. So sometimes these companies leave them wide open. In fact, oftentimes they do. For whatever reason, these people haven't, but that's cool. We might get it. You can usually get it another way as well, but that gives you a very good, let's see if we can get it this way, of getting it. So their GoDaddy website, yes. Whois, let's have a look. Oops, Lifestyle Dynamics. And I just do this so much. I'm just a shocker for stalking companies online. No, so well, here we go. Here we go. So there's her name, Chelsea Cohen. That's who she is. That's her direct Gmail address. Here's her admin telephone number. Here's her address, blah, 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 blah. So now I can contact Chelsea directly via her personal email address and say, hey, Chelsea, I'm interested in selling your Lifestyle Dynamics products on Amazon in Australia. Can I become your distributor? So you could do that, Bronwyn, too, and that's a really cool thing to be able to do. I hope that is useful. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon. that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.